what is it that is needed, I think comes from really figuring out where you are and what's the stuff that's going on around you, and then coming up with your own thought along with what you've heard people say, but what is a possible likely solution. So, a lot of people know Asar as Asar and as this big survey and report and whatnot, but it actually started with this Obastha Bujhe Vyavastha line, because if you go into a village or you go into a slum and you're interested in education and you're interested in schooling and basic learning, but you need to understand what is the context there to begin with. So actually the beginning of Asar was just simple village report cards, which were done mohalla by mohalla, and often with people, when you start doing it, if you've seen Asar, it's very simple. So after some time, India is full of very polite young people, including charming people, but also polite people who'd say, hum kar dete hain, aap dekho. Which is a good way to start the process going, and then you go around the mohalla, you talk to every child and you figure it out, and that would become the village report card. And then the village report card would be discussed to say, आपके गांव में इतने बच्चे हैं, इतने स्कूल जाते हैं, इतनों को पढ़ने की दिक्कत होती है, तो इसके बारे में क्या किया जाए? And a lot of the solutions or the discussions would come from there. So in that sense, I think that while there is many of these things became quite you could see common threads, and it's really from the common threads that then you build whatever is the next step solution. But 2005 mein jo avastha is very different from 2024 ka avastha. Even though the report and the data looks very similar, I think that's why it's very important to keep this loop going, both on, there are many contexts on the ground, there are connections that go up and down. I've been listening to when we talk about the government, I think there are governments and governments and governments. Panchayat is also a government, apna cluster is also a government. I was in UP recently where I was talking to somebody senior in the government, and she said, अब तो शासन को पूछना पड़ेगा. So I said, आप ही तो शासन हैं. She said, नहीं, हम तो department है. शासन तो secretariat में बैठी हुई है. Okay. So it's not like there's a monolith. So I think that just like we have many systems, even within one village, that operate, I think there are, so listening everywhere, picking up common threads, and then doing something quickly and failing or succeeding and doing the next thing is what I would call the way to operate.